eSIM stuck on activating. What to do? Occasionally, our customers report their iPhone eSIM is stuck on activating when it should be connecting to a local network. If you've correctly installed your eSIM and you're already located in the correct country for your eSIM to be able to connect to a network, here's how to fix this. Reasons. Almost cases appear on iOS. Normally appear when installing eSIM when you haven't arrived at your destination yet. What to do? Step 1. Wait about 15 to 30 minutes, you can use other tasks on your device as normal. Step 2. Get back to check if the eSIM is installed successfully or not. Step 3. If it appear unable to activate notifications, move to the next guide. If you have any other questions, please contact with Gigago.